Hi, 8th grade cello players. This is a video on the Silver Forest. We will be using a metronome and we have two different tempos, so we're going to stop for a tempo change. The first 8 measures we'll be doing at quarter note equals 72, which is the actual tempo that we'll stay at. And then starting in measure 9, we're going to move it up to 120, a little bit under tempo. We are in A minor. We have some really soft and tremolo bows at the tip, so make sure we're using really relaxed wrists there. We have a lot of changes from pits to arco. We even have the little left-hand pits. When you see the plus sign over that note on F, use your pinky and just pluck that C string with that one note, and the rest of them will be with the right-hand notes because they would all have to have pits with the pluses for them to be left-hand pitses. Okay, that also gets you an extra beat to get your bow arm ready for the rest of the pitses. Okay, all right, here we go, beginning. Nice and slow at the beginning. Let's see. Just setting your bow at the tip. 1, 2, measure 1, and change here. We'll start at measure 9 in just a second. Here's our new tempo. Measure 9, 1, 2, measure 9 now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Measure 10, 2, 3, 4. My apologies. I keep playing bass fingerings. Where did I do that? I think right around 69, 68, 70, somewhere around there. Okay, so I think I played an open G because I thought that was my bass A string. So there should be a first finger A there. But when you're playing between letter G and I, so 59 all the way to 75. It's not too difficult, but make sure that you're setting your bow before the arco. You're not just going from pits and then bouncing the bow. So actually have it set firmly so we can play and that we can start exactly together, because I can tell that's going to be a spot that we need to have a lot of precision. That could be a test spot. And then the other spot that I noticed for counting that's very challenging is letter C. That'd be measure 27. And I might go all the way till F, which would be 51, just so I could hear some of those slurs from 43 on and changing with the left-hand pits. But at least 27 until 42. Okay, just for counting, because sometimes the beats start on beat 1, sometimes they start on beat 2, and we have to be right on target with our rhythm, okay? I'm gonna play again, because I played some wrong notes the first time. I'm gonna start at 59 and then go to 75, okay? Here we go, 59. Ready? 1, 2, 59 now. At 75. And then just notice that crescendo at the end. Let me know if you have any other questions. So happy practicing. Sorry, this video got really long. Sorry about that.